that one because this was tutorial. I said, fuck. And that's a bit licky. You see crack right at all.
So you look here and this time you say that. And this is solid, so I can't somebody left it or something.
No, but this solid, you know, and this still broken. You see it?
This is solid and this is feel it. Feel the scream and say, that man. Yeah, somebody lost this dog. So I'm going to pick in here.
So people, wagwan, it's your boy CJ aka Bwoii. Welcome again to my channel Bwoii TV, our boy CJ. Yes, right now people, me I tell you say yo, me have one of the most epic prank when me I prank my brothers, me G them with. You don't know. I prank them say them mash up the laptop screen. Them I don't know, so this prank gotta be epic. Make sure so we keep it silent. Isn't it 50%? Crack they make your laptop scream ink out, you understand? You don't know. And me don't know say them never prepare for this prank. Them know say I'm a pranker and them always I say yo, me can't catch you with no prank. But me know say for 100% this is a prank I will catch them because you don't know last week me there at work and me never use a laptop. Me use a laptop here. Right now I something more for send on the laptop, but they never prepare for this prank, you know, people. So people right now, me I do a early intro. What do I say? Right now, no people, no don't want to miss this prank. No don't want to miss this prank. Right now, I want to join the Troublemaker family by subscribing to Bwoii TV or subscribe to my second channel that is Bwoii Cjay. Okay guys, subscribe to Bwoii Cjay or Bwoii TV to join the Troublemaker squad, because right now you don't know if you not say TRS, you're saying blah blah blah. Yo people, just subscribe right now. Make sure you leave some comment if you have to. Make sure you like the video, that is a must, you understand? Make sure you hit the big thumbs button. Right now you don't want to say yo, I'll give me G them a shout and say yo dog on forward, come here quick, because they'll say yo, I said I when I last people them use the laptop last week, you know, so no must no crack it screen, man. They never prepare for this prank. That's why people right now want to stay tuned for this prank, because they don't know so this prank is epic. Right now people want to go follow the Bwoii Preps on Instagram right now. Me make sure so you see the Instagram below. Yes, the link is also in the description, so go and go follow the G, you understand? Make sure say you subscribe if you haven't yet. You know how much time remain. You subscribe yet? Yeah, alright, just make sure you say subscribe, you understand? Because this prank will be so epic. If you not say TRS, I don't know where you say, because right now we're starting the prank, you understand? Just make sure you say you be silent and don't let out the secret, is me.
1 hour later.
So people, right now, it's like the G them are found. Yo, are them? Are them? Yo, are them? No. Are them? Right. So the G them are found. G them are found. Hold on one. No make them know such one. So G down, follow
Look pussy clot.
You don't come from planet Earth.
So this is what I call for audio. This is what we tell you laptop dog. This is this is what we tell you laptop and this is the dog.
Where the fuck this? How comes that?
Oi! Because like you have to get lick dog.
Oh.
You have to know how to say it dog. Now be a this is if I never look like laptop bro.
How the fuck this? I recommend that audio.
I don't mean make it chat dog for we there last week me use it, you know, me not use it back there.
So
Until today, you know.
you drop off for someone?
No, I last one I use one.
Oh, we are last man we use here and you plug it out and everything and nothing to do it. So, oh, it's return so. And so when you get to the car, you know?
Wait.
Yes, sir, you know? Yes, sir, you get to the car. I like you get in there. You can see him there.
Alright, no that. You know to say, I don't know, but me if I want to play music right now, I'll find laptop, you see. Can't see one fucking thing dog. I'm going to other monitor on TV dog. Alright, me I call Kirk, ask Kirk if I mash up it. But why me see Kirk up so Kirk him say my good one, you see it? Look hard. See fuck it. Kirk up all. Don't fuck.
No, Kirk, that one.
For the he monetize that in court still, you know. But no, he gone, fuck. Cause like he gets squeezed. I have to go buy one laptop screen. I have to go buy one monitor to that.
Listen, because we actually believe that member now.
And then you squeeze up here, man.
Which part? Do you leave your car out?
No, remember how you plug out them.
Plug out the back part.
Now you plug out everything, Alan.
I will take your car out of door.
No, you.
You're mad.
Oh, yeah, me take up.
I remember me like it, you know. So I hear your whole is so like always. So it's squeeze up. Which way you put it on? Up here, pan the face.
Yeah, you put it down power, which part me always put it on the laptop. The laptop always shut down and this always put up. Put up C and the forwards. I know. No more snap up. Eh? Right now I have to know that. This one, today I put on after me done do the hair and put that and plug in the blood clot on it and dismiss it to her and say fuck. And you have to get lick, you know? You see crack right at all.
So you live the honey style just like that. Honey style solid, so I can't somebody left that's all.
No, but it's solid, you know, and this still broken. You see it?
This is solid honey style. Feel the screen, man. Yeah, somebody asked this dog. Some little picking here, somebody.
Me not pick them here, dog.
And most somebody are pass with sitting on the
Big one make sit on that.
In the helicopter, I can't go. Oh, if you
lick up it. You remember say me come out before you?
Before me.
I'm in a lick up it.
You hold the bag and come out and when it come out, the stuff or something. I bag stuff, man. But in the helicopter, me not hear no lick.
So right now, right now we have to go buy a little crap monitor. I want laptop screen. You see laptop screen going on. Check like a lot of my people.
Rascal, everything I mash up. I want myself.
Eh?
I want myself.
Everything I want show.
Yeah.
I want some.
Give me bumbo.
You did that ink for what time, you see? But you completely gone now. Completely gone now.
Oh, no, no, nearby bicycle.
Here you go. Here you go. I feel like you're gone, so.
Oh.
Like for your lick out.
Oh.
Yeah.
Pussy guy, we can't be setting man. The blood clot.
You can't up in that. Imado.
Where is it tomorrow?
Oh, yeah, man, no. We Kirk see this Kirk, oh, motherfucker.
The pussy clot. I ain't 10 Kirk left for them. No.
Always.
I mean, I Kirk left for them.
I sat there. Sat there.
You come in and sat there.
Hey, the ball. I sat there.
Yeah?
I sat there.
Sat there.
Yeah. I sat there when I left there, man. No, I sat there.
When time me do ya? Huh?
I sat there, man. Kirk, me there.
Man, me come in and sat there, man.
Alright, Friday.
Phone sat there.
So when me there, sat there.
I sat there by phone, no, sir.
No, man, I did this a week, Alan. You don't know, say last week.
That when time me do ya?
Yeah, all that we done. I that the last time I come in the shop and move and touch the laptop and everything. You want me to that?
Open your yard, the laptop.
Yes, it's around the morning.
Hear this one and say on the yard. Oh, if you mash up on me yard, I'm not there for you. And nobody knows.
This come out here. This come out here.
Eh?
This thing come out here.
Yeah, me care up. Remember me care up here nice.
So now we open your yard, that mash up, dog. Wait.
I don't want to touch it.
So you mash up.
Eh?
Oh, you mash up.
Oh, you ask me saying I see he crack right or something. Like he scream, squeezing or something.
So you spy there, go and squeeze on my door.
No, but me not think so I will
Open
be
your
here.
yard, you mash up already.
So when we did that turn off good.
It turn off good.
Because I mean, did that. Well, me I said everything for this.
And that I last use when you turn off it. And then you plug out the back part.
Because I be a laugh, dog.
This is history, dog.
Imado. Mado.
This is Mado and there.
No, true. I'm not there first, man. Me tell you. You sure, Mado?
How old is that? You lick when you take up it.
No, you know, like,
Bad man, you want to like no, when you carry down since when you go party there, you look now we like you move or nobody.
No, sir, nobody not going out from the room.
Nobody know because.
See, I come put on laptop that the night they only go up, you know, and I see and we'll make come back and see today. You see me? You put on the see and like how you see you put on.
I don't when you are coming in shop with some. A Kia, may I tell you, this is a Kia.
One thing, I love to prank dog.
Eh? Oh, push so long way. I want to know about it, but I see if you have no video like I want to prank this.
Eh?
What prank? Prank what? I never prank.
Oh, prank man.
This is my name is stream so come in.
Still I want prank. I want prank.
Where your phone there?
Where my phone
My
man?
phone buckler. Look at person on phone. I don't know. My rascal. Look at person on phone. Hey Bobajoe, look at phone yourself. Where your phone there?
I want prank man.
Where your phone? See the casino. Yo, me see the casino.
Right now, dog, then get pranking up people. I don't know what it takes savage up. Fuck!
As a god, me see the phone and I see you over there. Me I see you know. As a god, tell me see it to blood. Me see it, yeah?
You don't see nothing, man.
Yo,
You
me
don't see
see it
nothing.
over there. Me see it over there. So as a god, me see. Me I say, oh, come here, cut off it. I say, oh, back up. Yeah, man, I thought we were serious.
So people, you know what chopping setting up people. Just subscribe to the channel, like. You don't know, share the video, you don't know, say. Alan, this get prank again. I'll do Alan some
camera for me, man.
That's it right now, if you feel the man out of beat. So right now, man out of beat to look clean. Right now, Alan can't believe. Say a prank. So people just subscribe to the channel, see me? Yo, Kirk and next man where this all happen to.
Well, me not do ya. Well, pass the next buckle, I come back to you, but pass the next buckle. Give me next buckle. Give me one next buckle.
So this one, put up back. So you don't know, say man, then this get pranking up people. Make sure so you subscribe to the channel. You see me? Big up on yourself straight out. So people, if you want a part 2 for this, make sure you hit that like button and get me to 100,000. What may I say? 100 likes, you see me? And make sure so this video goes viral because you don't know so them prank are epic in a bro God. Get me to 1K subscribers and get me over 100 likes for this, you see me? If you don't want a part 2, because I tell you say yo, a part 2 is there, you know? But me nah drop it until me reach. You don't know anything go. Just get this viral, you see me? Share with your friends and friends and friends and tell a friend to share with another friend, you see me?
Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together.